Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Today we are going to learn TH sound word. TH को हम क्या बोलते हैं? थ. TH को क्या बोलते हैं? थ. First of all, write your date. Today's date. Today's date 2/6/2010 just fill first of all TH THAT that THEN then THIS this THEY they THERE there THICK thick WITH with MATH math TEETH teeth PATH path SOUTH south HEALTH health. Okay, just revise it. THAT that THEN then THIS this THEY they THERE there THICK thick WITH with MATH math TEETH teeth PATH path SOUTH south HEALTH health. Take out this book Smiley Juniors and open page number is 5454 and read this page. Okay, THAT that beginning TH sound. Okay, THAT that THEN then THIS this THEM them THEY they THIN thin THERE there THAN then THICK thick. एंडिंग TH साउंड्स ये एंड में लगाते हैं. ओके, WITH विथ PATH पाथ MATH मैथ TEETH टीथ MOTH मॉथ SOUTH साउथ NORTH नॉर्थ BOOTH booth HEALTH health. Read this page and you have to do this work in your English notebook. Thank you.